This, of course, is Andrew's kart. It's a 1975 Invader Pro reproduction kart that we built in our shop. It's a beautiful kart. Andrew keeps it really nice. Runs a McCullough on this one.
Man, that'd be great for home because when younger and my dad ended up buying it. So yeah. So I don't know exactly